Hi there, welcome to another graphical tutorial. This is just a light, should I call it a lighthouse, created using graphic functions within event-driven program Visual Basic. So what I'm going to do now is to actually take you guys into Visual Basic development environment so that you see how this beautiful lighting system was developed. So guys, let's go into Visual Basic development environment. Thank you. Alright guys, here's how the lighting system was developed. Okay, I'm actually going to set the window state to maximum. So maximize that, and the background for this, I can just say me. When the form load, that will become me. Come on, me dot back color. Make that color dot black. Okay, and let's get the now the next thing is get the line, the draw line that equals me that create graphics. Okay, you will need that to do the drawing for us. Okay, so what I would do is to then add two timers, timer 1, timer 2. If you like, you can give it a name. Maybe I should give this let's give it a name. Let's just say TMR animation. Okay, that's my animation 1. The other one maybe TMR. That just to refresh the system. So let's get into the program now. So double click on timer animation and declare the following variable: dim I as single, and color variable Q as single as well, and the loop for I equals 1, 2, 360. Okay, step 5. So well, that's the first line of my code. I've actually speed up the system, and then the next thing I would do is to actually declare a private function so that I can refresh the system for me. So let's get a private working now. Private sub. Okay, so that will be, let's say, draw, and if my timer dot interval equals 3000, then me dot refresh my system. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now we call this particular function. Let me call this particular function in here. So let's say call the draw refresh. Okay, so the next thing is form load. Yeah, form load. Let me start my timer element dot start, and the other timer refresh dot start as well, dot start. Okay, let's get both timer. Let's set them to, okay, 2000. That's set to 2000 nanosecond. The other one is set to 3000. Okay, folks. So let's go back in the code. So what I'll do now is to double click on the timer number 2, refresh, and just enter this line of code. So what I'll do is, let's run this program and see. So this is the end product of the program, but seems a little bit slow. I can always speed up the system, and this is supposed to be the lamppost is too short, so maybe I should just increase that. Let's go back into the program and get that sorted. So in that, so I'm going to now increase the speed of this timer. Let's go in the property. Instead of 1000 and 2000, just change that to 1000. Then also double click on that, and there it is. I will now increase the speed of the length of supposed to be lamppost. Let me just add Q plus Q. So let's see. Let's run the program again. You see that, folks? Now we have enough lamppost there, and the system is a little bit faster. You actually copy this code and save it in my share drive. You can all subscribe, and I'll send the code to you. Thank you.